Greetings, tech aficionados. Today, we're embarking on an electrifying journey into the fascinating world of the electronics industry and its intricate supply chain. Get ready to plug into knowledge, have some fun, and explore the circuitry behind your favorite gadgets. The electronics industry is a realm of innovation and marvels, from smartphones to smart fridges. But how does this world of wonders come to life? Join us as we break it down, step by step. Step 1, Research and Development. It all begins with genius minds and inventive ideas. Picture this stage as a laboratory filled with brilliant scientists. Here, they dream up the next big thing. Step 2, Design and Prototyping. Once the ideas are cooked up, it's time to sketch out blueprints and create prototypes. Think of it as crafting a sneak peek of what's to come, like a movie trailer. Step 3, Manufacturing. The magic happens in bustling factories where robots and skilled workers orchestrate the assembly, testing, and refinement of components, bringing electronics to life. Step 4, Distribution and Logistics. Electronics don't teleport to your local stores. They travel on ships, planes, and trucks, navigating the globe like digital adventurers. Step 5, Retail. Time for the big reveal. Your favorite electronics hit the shelves, and it's showtime. Stores dazzle you with displays, and online shopping becomes an immersive user experience. Let's shine a spotlight on a real-world tech wizard. The Apple Incorporated. They've mastered the electronics supply chain with their iconic products. From the sleek designs to the user-friendly interfaces. With Apple, it's not just about the product, it's the entire experience. From the moment you unbox an iPhone to the seamless integration across all their devices, they've got us saying, "I'm a Mac." So, there you have it, the electrifying journey of the electronics industry and its complex supply chain. From idea to your hands, it's a thrilling ride. We hope you enjoyed this electrifying tour of the electronics industry. If you found this video both enlightening and enjoyable, give it a thumbs up, and remember to subscribe for more electrifying content. Until next time, keep exploring the digital wonders around you, and stay charged with knowledge.